guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I do hope that after the end of this video you hit that subscribe button. Do not be a stranger. So I was dressing up to go out and I thought, oh, let me do a quick eyeliner tutorial. I know somebody has requested this before on one of my makeup videos. I can't remember which video exactly, but I've been very skeptical about doing an eyeliner tutorial because, first of all, I do not know how to talk when I'm drawing my eyeliners. Like, it cannot just happen. I have to be quiet because my mouth is even open half the time. Secondly, my face is usually like 1 centimeter away from the mirror when I'm drawing my eyeliner, and I do not know how that's gonna work while filming it. But anyways, if this comes out nice, you are going to be watching this video, and if it doesn't, it's obviously going to stay in my draft. So fingers crossed that I'm able to pull this off on camera. So for my eyeliner, I do not usually like a very dramatic eyeliner. I mean, I do that once in a while depending on the look that I'm going for, but for my everyday look, I just like a little bit of wing on the side and I'm good to go. Nothing extra, nothing too much. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video is helpful to you. Let's get right into it. So the eyeliner that I'm going to be using for this video is this very random eyeliner I got at a beauty supply store. It's really just a random eyeliner. The name here is like a Chinese name, so it's just one of these random eyeliners. And then this is how the pen looks like. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using. I am not going to be talking while I'm drawing my eyeliner, so do pay close attention, and yeah, I hope this is helpful. So I was taking a moment to admire my lip gloss because my lips look absolutely gorgeous. Now getting straight to this tutorial, I start off with drawing the lower part of the wing of my eyeliner. And after that, I connect the upper part of the wing with the lower part of the wing, sort of like drawing a triangular shape. And then after that, you want to make sure you have a very thin and nice tip for your wing. So you go ahead and connect the triangle and make it really sharp. And then after that, you connect your wing to the other part of your eyelid, going closer to the innermost part of your eyelid. Most times I never really get to my tear duct because my eye gets really teary when I draw my eyeliner and when I'm applying my mascara. As you can see, I was trying to fan off the tears that were about to form. So if you have very sensitive eyes like mine, then you want to stop close to the innermost part of your eyelid but never really reach in there. And then I'm going through the same process for the other eye, drawing the wing first and then creating a sharp tip for the wing, and then connecting that wing to the rest of your eyelid. And the closer you get to the inner part of your eyelid, the smaller your eyeliner is. You don't want it as thick as it is at the outer part of your eyelid. And that is the end of this tutorial. You can see that this is very simple and easy and straight to the point. Every beginner should be able to do this with a few practices here and there. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you found this very useful. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to drop a comment, like, and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.